Sample problem on head loss. Basahin lang natin yung sample problem natin. Determine the head loss per kilometer required to maintain the velocity of 3 meter per second in a 25 millimeter diameter pipe if the kinematic viscosity is 4 times 10 to the negative 5 meters square per second. So ito yung mga given natin for this problem. No? Merong velocity, diameter, and then yung V, which is kinematic viscosity, 4 times 10 to the negative 5 meters squared per second. So, ang first gagawin natin dito, since hindi naman natin alam if it's turbulent or laminar, determine muna natin siya, no, using the Reynolds number. So, kapag V yung binigay, yung kinematic viscosity, ito yung equation na gagamitin natin, no? VD over V. So, substitute lang natin yung mga given na mga values. We have for velocity, it's 3 meter per second. Diameter is 0.025 meter. Tapos, ang kinematic viscosity is 4 times 10 to the negative 5. And then, i-evaluate lang natin. Dito tayo sa calculator natin. That's 3 times 0.025 divided by 0.12345. So, that's 1875. So, yan yung Reynolds number natin, which is less than 2,000. So, ito yung limit natin, no? Pag greater than 3,000, that's turbulent. Less than 2,000, that's laminar. And then, yung values between 2,000 to 3,000, that's critical, no? Tapos, yun, ikaw na bahala dun kung sa design, gusto mo bang i-consider na turbulent siya or laminar. But in this case, it's 1875, therefore less than 2,000 lang. That's automatic na laminar. Pag laminar flow, ang friction factor natin is just equivalent to 64 over RE. 64 divided by 1875, that's 0.034. Yan yung friction factor natin. Lalagay natin siya dun sa Darcy-Weisbach na equation, which is FLV squared over D2G. Minsan na yung ginagamit na variable for head loss is HF kasi yun yung friction factor, no? Frictional loss. Kasi yung Darcy-Weisbach specific siya para dun sa pagkuha ng head loss due to friction, okay? So, minsan HF or HL ang ginagamit, no? So, FLV squared over D2G, dito na lahat ng mga given, no? F is 0.034, 1,000 yung length natin kasi per kilometer, no? Per kilometer yung problem. And then, velocity, we have D, 2 times 9.81, which is the acceleration due to gravity. Solve lang natin dito sa calculator. We have 0.034 times 1,000 times 3 squared divided by 0.025 times 2 times 9.81. That's 623.85 meters yan, no? Meters kasi magkakancel dito yung ito, magiging squared kasi yan, no? Ito magkakancel. So, ito na lang matitira, no? Meters. So, that's per kilometer. Okay? So, yun yung head loss niya per kilometer if ito yung mga parameters na gagamitin natin. Okay? So, I think that's it for this sample problem, no? And then, thank you again for watching and see you sa mga next sample problems natin.